So I was recently on a panel, and the title of the panel was The Joys and Trials of Collaboration. And one of the questions that we received as panel members was, what is one characteristic of your favorite collaborator? Now, today we know we need different skills, right? So we need conceptualizing skills, we need methodological skills, we need writing skills, and there are so many things that we need to keep up on, and it's just getting harder. At least that's how I see it. Now, I was lucky to work with an advisor who's extremely good in conceptualizing. Of course, he's good at many different things. My advisor is Jan Heide. And if you look him up, you'll see that he has written many conceptual papers. Now, that's a quality that I think is difficult, but to me has an enormous high rewards. So the papers, these conceptual papers, they tend to be boundary pushing papers. And so I value that very, very much. Now, of course, the question is, how do you learn to become good at conceptualizing? So to me, I kind of start with knowing the theory really, really well. And I mean really well. I think the ins and outs of our theories, sometimes we have a sense of what the theories are telling us, but really digging deep and understanding the ins and outs is extremely important in order to be able to conceptualize well. Why? Well, not only because you know the arguments of that theory, but you know the limitations of these theories. And that's the key. If you're going to push these theories, right? If you're going to add to them or if you're going to challenge them, you really need to understand them really well. Now, the second part, and this is actually an advice from another professor that I admire a lot, IJ Wathne. And IJ Wathne, he gives these workshops on theory development, and I've attended many of these, and I encourage you strongly to attend as well. And what I see every time I listen to IJ Wathne is that I have so much more to learn in terms of developing a theory. Again, it sounds kind of easy, but being able to clearly define constructs, which is a problem for us in marketing, several studies have shown this. To write propositions, that's also very, very difficult. It sounds easy, but it's really, really hard. And also, of course, to write arguments for the propositions. So now here's a very practical advice, right? If you get a chance, attend IJ Wathne's lectures and think about your conceptualizing skills. Honing your conceptualizing skills, to me, will have a high return in your academic career.